Hi guys, how's it going? This is Amanda from AmandaAroundTheGlobe.com, and today I am so excited to share with you decluttering my bedroom. So I recently did a video about decluttering my bathroom, and that was really popular, a little bit more popular than I expected, and so I asked you guys in that video if you wanted to see a video of me decluttering my bedroom, and a lot of people said yes, so here it is. Yeah, let's just get into it. This is my bedroom. It looks really clean right now, but I can assure you there is stuff unorganized all in there, and all in there, and especially in there. I'm gonna go through this room and organize and declutter everything. I think I'm gonna start with this. Alright, these things do not get used, like, ever. I am going to toss these. These are my makeup brushes, and I'm going to give these babies a wash today because we are cleaning. I just use shampoo to clean my makeup brushes. You can also use face wash, but my face wash is really, really expensive, so I just use this. Those will dry right here with my dishes. Cool. So let's go back to our decluttering. And I'm gonna do the inside of my dresser. Over there, that's like Michael's clothing situation. I'm just gonna leave those and let him do his thing with that. This is the main drawer that I basically put all of my clothes in, and I just, obviously they've gotten a bit unorganized. And then I also use this second drawer as kind of like, this is really bad, but this is basically the drawer of clothes that I never use or hardly ever use. So we all know what's gonna happen to those. And then these are clothes that I don't ever use that are out of season. And then this third drawer has nothing in it. Now I've emptied all my laundry into my dresser, and this is the final product. This is all the stuff that I am going to get rid of from the dresser. All of those can be given away, and then this will get hung up in the closet, which we will organize right now. So this is my closet. This is my side of the closet. That is my reusable grocery bag that I carry my lunch in to work, and then these are all of my things in my side of the closet. That's Michael's suitcase. Most of this stuff, actually, a little bit messy, most of this stuff will not really change. A lot of that stuff is all not ours. That's the guy who actually rents this apartment because we're just subletting, that's his stuff. That is my yoga mat, and then up here is a pair of jeans that I can get rid of because I never wear those. And a lot of that stuff I have in a wardrobe video that I will link here. Now we can go through and organize these things. So let's just do that. I brought this to Auckland and I've only worn it like one time. To be honest, it's a bit too short for me and I just don't really wear it very much. So I'm just gonna get rid of that. Everything I'm gonna do to the closet. I just moved the stuff that we don't use very often from up there and I put it back there so we don't have to see it all the time. These are the things in my closet. So I have this dress, this green dress. Oh, I didn't hang up my white dress. Okay, so now this is my closet. I just organized the shoes a little bit, and there's my shoes, and actually my other shoes should be in there as well. I have my flip-flops right here. So these should be in here, and I usually just put these on the bottom. Lastly, we have this little nightstand. So I'm gonna start off just clearing off the top. I have these earrings, which I want to put these with my makeup because all the stuff that I use to get ready is right here, like my watch, my earrings, my makeup. that's good. And this I am actually gonna leave here because I should be sleeping with this one. This is a whole nother story. So this stuff needs to have a good go through. So here's the end result. I have nothing on this nightstand anymore other than my lamp. And in the first drawer, I have only the stuff that I use to help me sleep and some Kleenex. So eye mask, hairband, lavender oil, and Kleenex, and then that has to stay there because that's the landlord's. And in here I have my camera charger, and my camera usually goes right here. And in here I have everything just a bit more organized. So this is all of my travel stuff that I don't have to use on a regular basis, but I do want to keep. And then in there is just a bag of all my cords and stuff like that. Here's my external battery charger. I use that quite a bit still. And here's the GoPro charger and my GoPro. And it just looks a lot cleaner now, so I'm excited about that. And then this whole thing is cleaned. Down there is my phone charger, and I just keep that on there because obviously I use it all the time, so I'm not gonna like take that off and put it back and take it off and put it back. So far this is the pile of stuff that I am giving away. I added the face moisturizer and that makeup brush. I've never used that makeup brush before. I got it as a gift with the primer that I threw away. So lesson to self, don't get free gifts anymore. The last thing that I want to go through is this right here. That's my hat. That can stay there. A lot of the stuff, okay, none of this stuff is ours. This is the tenants. So this is what I'm going to go through next, but most of this is Michael's stuff, so I can't go through all of it, but I'll just go through my own sections. And then these are all of Michael's clothes, and I have my bathing suits down here. We'll just clean this area out really quick so that I can have it a bit more organized looking instead of just stuff thrown in there. So I cleaned out my bathing suit drawer, and this is what it looks like now. I just put my bathing suits into the little bags that I got a lot of them in, and I'll probably end up getting rid of some of those before I leave New Zealand. I did clean out this drawer. I cleaned out, there's a picture of Michael. I don't want to show you guys like too much of that side because that's Michael's like personal stuff, but I cleaned out my section of this, and I just moved my stuff that was over there. I moved it into here so that all of my stuff is organized in one place, and I put a lot of it in here. So I put like my working visa in here. So I think everything's actually all finished. I just have to put this stuff into a bag. Kind of looks pretty much the same on the outside, but it's so much cleaner in here now. This is way more organized over here. This is Michael's stuff, so I didn't want to touch that, but everything's just cleaner, more organized. My makeup is even cleaned out. I'm really excited about this, so yeah. That was organizing my bedroom. Thanks for watching my decluttering my bedroom video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Would like to see more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!